Hello children, I am Rajat. Today I am going to discuss about the topic that is input and output devices. As we are working on computer, these are the important parts of your computer, that is input and output devices. So basically output devices is used for giving output of from your computer, and input devices basically used by computer for taking a input. So I hope you understand input and output devices. So we will learn more about input and output devices. Today we will identify some input and output devices also. That will clarify for you also how input and output devices is working in a computer. So you can see here there are some list of input devices that we are using in computer, like keyboard, mouse, scanner, trackball, joystick, light pen, touch screen, optical card reader, magnetic ink character reader, optical barcode reader, voice recognition device, and optical mark reader. These are the basic input devices of your computer. As you know that keyboard for giving input, mouse is a pointing or sensing device used for giving instruction, scanner for scanning your document, converting hard copy into soft copy. Same way, OCR is a character reader, MICR is a microcode, magnetic ink character reader. Or in the same way, output devices, monitor or LED monitors. I will discuss different parts of monitor also. Printer, speaker, headphones, sound card also, sound card, plotter, projector. So these are the basic output devices of your computer. With that, we are working on computer, we are getting output from your computer or any electronic device which is giving output, we are getting the result, that is called output devices of your computer. Same way, there are different types of monitor available in the market. According to their specification, we are classifying into the monitor in a different categories. So there are monitor, two types of monitors, CRT monitor and LCD monitor. CRT monitors are many lower price system use traditional cathode ray tube. In this cathode ray tube means, you can see at the back there is, this is called cathode ray tube monitors. And LCD monitors, there is a flat screen monitor nowadays we are using, that is called LCD, liquid crystal display monitor, that takes less desk space. So nowadays these are the very low price and not costly, so we are using at our home, our schools also, these types of monitor for the observing the output. In the same way, we will discuss the type of mouse. There are three types of mouse: mechanical mouse, optomechanical mouse, and optical mouse. Mechanical mouse has a rubber or metal ball in its underside that can roll in all direction. Mechanical sensor with the mouse detect the direction the ball is rolling and move the screen pointer accordingly. Optomechanical, same as mechanical mouse but uses optical sensor to detect the motion. Optical mouse use a laser to detect the mouse movement. There is a cordless mouse also. And mice have no mechanical moving parts, like there is no wire. They respond more quickly and precisely than the mechanical and optomechanical mice, but they are also more expensive. So wireless mouse is too much expensive than the wired mouse because they are sensing capacity. In the same way, keyboard basically QWERTY was invented by Christopher Sholes, who was issued a patent for a typewriter on July 14, 1868. The QWERTY keyboard is named after the five-letter keys located at of computer keyboards. Today, the QWERTY keyboard is the most commonly found and used computer keyboard in the United States. Because of it started letters, six letters involve QWERTY. That's why we are saying this is a QWERTY keyboard. In the same way, we will discuss about the printer as a output device. Printer, basically two types of printer. One is a impact printer, other one is a non-impact printer. Impact printer involves dot matrix printer, line printer, and non-impact printer involves laser printer, inkjet printer, thermal printer, photo printer, plotters also. And plotters are pen based plotter and electrostate plotter according to their specification. So let's start about the impact and non-impact printer. Impact printer produces text and images when tiny wires, pins or print head strike the ink ribbon by physically contacting the paper. That means when there will be a contact with paper, non-impact printer produce text and graphics on paper without actually striking the paper. Non-impact printer, these printer create an image on the print medium without the use of force. They don't touch the paper while creating an image. Non-impact printers are much quieter than the impact printer as they don't strike the paper. So in this paper there is a no contact with paper, directly the ink prints the paper with the help of in the category of non-impact printer. So these printers are also, it is a quieter than the impact printer, because in the impact printer again and again ink touches the paper. Now dot matrix printer were first introduced by Centronics in 1970. The term dot matrix refer to the process of placing dots to form an image. However, unlike a typewriter or daisy wheel printer, letters are drawn out of a dot matrix and thus varied fonts and arbitrary graphics can be produced. Its speed is usually 30 to 1000 characters per second. This is the cheapest and the most noisy printer and has a low print quality. So these are the specifications of dot matrix printer. Now come to the laser printer. It prints the image by transferring the ink powder not a piece onto piece of paper using a laser beam. Printer speed is 4 to 17 pages per minute. Printer resolution, draft quality, near letter quality and letter quality. That means this is also a useful printer. Now come to the next one, that is inkjet printer. Used to print black and white, gray scale and color output. Has a print head but does not have metal pins that fire out from the print head. The print head has many tiny nozzles and squirt ink onto the paper. When the ink runs out, you replace the entire print head. The inkjet printer print head is known as the print or ink cartridge, as ink cartridge has up to 6000 nozzles instead of 9, 18, 24 pin configuration of impact printer. So that is very useful printer. Next one is a thermal printer. A thermal printer is a printer that makes use of heat in order to produce the image on paper. Due to quality of print, speed and technology more advances, it has become increasingly popular and is mostly used in airline, banking, entertainment, retail, grocery and healthcare industries. So you can observe the printer. Nowadays we are using this type of printer which speeds very fast and work very fast, giving the output. Now the plotter. A plotter is an output device that is used to produce the high quality graphics in a variety of colors. Types of plotters are flatbed plotter and drum plotter. According to their specification, we are categorized a plotter. So flatbed plotter, you can see in the picture, a flatbed plotter is also known as table plotter. It plots on paper that is spread and fixed over a rectangular flatbed table. The flatbed plotter uses two robotic drawing arms, each of which hold a set of colored ink, pens or pencil. Typically the plot size is equal to the area of bed. That's why it is called flatbed plotter. I hope you understand this flatbed plotter. Last one is a daisy wheel. This is a type of printer. This is the earliest type of printer. Now long obsolete rotating wheel containing all the characters for a font. Tractor fed, impact, link ribbon, single color and line printer. That's why it takes too much time for printing, but earlier we are using this type of printer also. Thank you class. Let's discuss the exercises.